How would you like for me to show you how to place ads for free and make up to $500 a day, literally copying and pasting ads onto sites that you don't even have to pay to put your ads up? I'm going to show you 3 sites you can copy paste on. This is a method that is free to do. It's worldwide, works anywhere, no matter where you are in the world, and you can do it any age, okay? Even if you're 3 years old, get your kid on this, get your 5-year-old on this, making you money. I'm going to go over everything right here on my computer while eating beef jerky. Let's get it. Okay, let's check out this method to literally copy paste ads to make money. This has been a highly requested video, and I'm going to show you step by step how you do this. Okay, so first off, you don't want to run a business where you have to actually like buy products and like ship them out to people, okay? So you don't want to do that. Then you have to provide customer support, you have to have an address, a business, all this crazy stuff, fees, warehousing, etc. So let's forget about e-commerce or drop shipping or any of that stuff. Doesn't work. Way too expensive. Next, you don't want to have to fulfill the product. You don't want to have to do any work for it. What we want to do, this is an easy way to make money, is just post links. And to post links, you need to do what I do for a living, which is called affiliate marketing. I make almost $1 million a month in my business, 6 figures a month profit. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. Now, the first step is you need to sign up for an affiliate network. You know, one of the affiliate networks I recommend is ClickBank. This is the network we're going to be discussing here, and what we're going to be promoting is an online education product. And what you'll do is you'll go right over here, okay, to where it says create an account, and you will sign up, okay? So clickbank.com. You can type it into Google, do whatever you want. Now, if you are a friend of mine from Nigeria, Bangladesh, Zimbabwe, or Zambia, or one of these countries, now you can sign up for this affiliate network. There's a link in the description. It's for Digistore, okay? Digistore24.com. And this site will accept affiliates from any country in the world, okay? So any country in the world, doesn't matter. And you can sign up here. You know, they have a sign up form. You can sign up as an affiliate marketer here. It's free to sign up, and you can start getting paid. You can access their thing. Now, after you sign up for one of these networks, or sign up for ClickBank is the main one we're going to be discussing, you can go into their marketplace right here, and you can click the marketplace and search for my last name, because the product we're going to be selling is actually my product. It's one of the top selling products in the world of affiliate marketing. And you will go right here. See, there's my product. You type in my name. See that? And I'll show it to you once again. After you click the marketplace, you click that, you search my name, Crestani, okay? Click the search button. And the page you'll want to go to, and the link is also in the description, is the affiliate page, or what is also known as the JV page, right here. Boom. Okay, so now you're on the affiliate page, and this explains about the product you'll be selling. Now, every time you post a link and somebody buys from the link you post, and I'm going to show you how to put the targeted links up in a second, you will earn the amount of money right here, okay? $463. You will also be receiving an additional recurring revenue of $262 on average. So you can receive recurring income that comes over months. And you can receive additional money. And this helps you actually create a stable income, which is really exciting. So right there, you can get started with. So just leave this page up. This is where you will get some of your ads from. It explains about my training course. Again, if you want to take my training course, links are also in the description. It's a 6-week course, but what we're going to be focused on is selling it and making money. So you have ClickBank and me pay you money. Now, the type of ads we're going to be posting are called classified ads, and there are a lot of online newspapers and classified sites where people look for anything from local services to plumbers to the news to other sorts of things that people look for. And we're going to post our ad on there. We can post it for free. I found 3 sites where you can literally post an ad for free, and this will be targeted. We'll use the headline to target correctly, and I'm going to show you how right now. Let's get back to my computer. Now, the first site here is called the freeadforum.com, okay? So the freeadforum.com, and this allows you to place free classified ads on the internet. Really, really, really great spot. I'm really surprised I found this. Okay, now how this works is basically we're going to go and post an ad. Let me show you how. So right here up at the top, you see it says place a free ad. Okay, that's where we're going to click. We're going to go in here. You're going to register for this site. Okay, so register for this site, and let's move onwards. Now, this is pretty funny. So they have some limitations of ads you can post. You cannot post escort ads, which is basically prostitution. You can't post pharmaceutical ads or drug ads. You can't offer people drugs on these sites. Those ads will be deleted, so don't post prostitution or drug-related advertising. And then we're going to click the submit button. Okay, so we got the email. We have to verify our account. And boom. Okay, congratulations. Our register is complete. And we click here to place an ad. Okay, so we'll click right there. Okay, boom. So we're on the ad creation screen, and it says your ad will be featured on our homepage. You don't need to buy this. You don't need to actually pay $10, but if you pay $10, you can get a better listing. But let's move onwards. We don't need to do that. So here it says choose a category, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is choose a category. And what you're going to be promoting is, if you listen to my JV page, basically you're promoting online education. Now, the fastest growing field in the world right now is working for yourself, is jobs that don't require a corporation. It's also online education. So online education, teaching people how they can work for themselves, is just this revolution that's going on. For almost 100 years now, people have been caught in this mindset, or it's been less than 100 years, but in the last few generations, people have thought that the only way to make money was working a job, whereas for thousands of years, people didn't go to some big office building and work in a cubicle answering support calls or whatever it is. You can work for yourself, and this is the greatest thing. If you've watched my channel, you will see there are so many ways to work for yourself online. It is unbelievable. Whether you want to be a writer or a driver or whatever, you can work for yourself. And what my education program is teaching people is how they can earn a full-time substantial income. Not make an extra $500, not make an extra $400, not make an extra $1,000, but to make an extra six-figure income online, so people can start earning over $100,000 a year working for themselves. That's what my education is all about. It's a little more involved than a YouTube video to actually explain that. That's why I've created a 6-week course. But that's what you're going to be advertising, and let me show you exactly what to post to get this out there, so you can help others quit their jobs and live free, and you can make $500 from me and ClickBank. Okay, so we're going to select the learning category, and we're going to go down here, and the selection we are going to do is computer multimedia classes. Okay, boom. So now you can select, your pricing. It's no cost here. If you want it to display for 6 months or a year, you could pay more money, right? The website makes money somehow. Now for the title, I have a couple different headlines I found for you. So you can post up, here are a few different titles. Earn a 6-figure income online, new money-making system, genius way to make money on the side. So you can use one of these titles, okay? And I'm just gonna do the easiest one, which relates to the page, the affiliate page, which you'll get in a second, which is earn a 6-figure income online. Okay, so we go here, we enter our title, earn a 6-figure online, free training, okay? And then I'm going to go in the description, okay? So the description, what will we post here? Now I've put in just a sample description here, and I just say my special guest 3-step no product funnel can be duplicated to start earning a significant amount of money online. So I'm just gonna copy this, and this is something you can do too. You can write this out, and I'm going to try to put this information should be available on my JV page towards the bottom by the time you watch this video, okay? So it's not there right now. So now I'm gonna paste this in here, and we have the description, and sign up for the free training here. And I'm going to put in the link to the training. So what we want to do is go back to our ClickBank where the marketplace was, and we want to click the promote button right here. Up will pop a screen like this, and if you're logged in, your affiliate nickname will show up. Now you want the link to go to the default page. Now I'm going to put a tracking ID because I'm going to post this link up a couple places, so I want the tracking ID to be free ad forum. I would generate hop link. Then I click copy. I'm going to go back to my notepad and I'm going to type in ClickBank link. And I'm going to paste it in there just for reference. Now next, this link looks a little ugly. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this link and I'm going to go to a link shortener such as bit.ly. Bit.ly is the one I like to use, and it's bit.ly.com. We just go down here, paste our link, shorten it, and we copy this link. And we're going to take this link and I am going to put it in the ad right there. Okay, so there's our ad. I'll add a couple tags such as, make money, work at home, affiliate marketing, etc. Now the price is $0 because you are giving people a free training. Shipping and handling is $0 because it's a free training. And next we select the regions it shows up in. So we can select any region we want. For this, let's select the United Kingdom, okay? London, okay? And we can select additional regions if we want, but that costs money. So I'm just gonna post it in one region and hope it does well. So our website URL, once again, we will post our website URL, which is right here. We'll post it right there, boom. Now, you could post this as is, or you could actually add some images or videos to what you're talking about. Now, in this case, I'm going to post some images real quick. All I'm going to do, you don't need to do this, but this will help, sell your link and get people to click on it. And this should also help people learn more about it so that they buy. So I'm going to go to google.com and I'm just going to search, work at home. And I'm going to go over here to images. Click images, I'm going to select this image, I'm going to wait for it to load, I'm going to right click, I'm going to say copy image address, right there, okay? Select file, and then I'm just going to paste the image address and click open, okay? So even though it's not on my computer, it recognizes the URL. So then I'm just going to select another one, I'm going to select a man, and I'm going to do copy image address once again. Go back, select file, boom, open. Next, I'm going to select a YouTube video. In this case, I'm just going to go to my YouTube channel and I'm just going to go to my channel homepage and I'm just going to go to my videos. I'm going to sort by my most popular videos right there. So what I did was I clicked sort by most popular and I'm in the videos category. And I'm just going to select this video right there. And I'm going to copy the address right there, or you can go down here and click share, and then I'm going to copy it into here. See? Add this video, apply changes, and boom. Now there are some extra things you can do if you want to have your feature more listed or have other things, or use attention getter little icons there, but you don't need to do that. If you just want to post it for free, you just move onward. So I'm going to say, we could preview it right here, or we could click next step. So let's preview our ad first, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so here's our ad. We see the title. This is what it'll look like. Earn a six-figure online income. We have some images. We have our video, and we have a description, and our link is right there, and it says our link and visit my website. So I'm just going to click accept and submit. Boom, there we go. Total, no cost. It is posted. Woo! Okay, people. So I'm going to show you two more sites where you can post classified ads for free. Okay, this costs nothing and it gets you started in advertising. You just created an ad. You're doing online advertising right now. I mean, give yourself a pat on the back because this is a big deal. I mean, most people never understand how to place an ad or what is an ad or how do you do ads. You just did it if you followed this step. And if you're an action taker, just go in the comments and say action taker, because this is so simple. It's so easy. And you're starting out doing marketing, advertising for free. Don't have to pay any money. So check that out. Do it yourself. Pick your own region or whatever you want to do. But if you're enjoying this content, make sure you click subscribe. If you want to learn how to really do advertising and to really do methods that'll make you a lot more money, you can check out some of my free trainings. I have a huge archive of mini courses and trainings, over 40 hours of content. If you join the Money Club, right next to the subscribe button, join the Money Club. It's $50 a month, and you get to talk to me twice a month on a live stream on YouTube. So pretty exciting stuff, but make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's go in to these next two methods. So the next two sites that you should post your link on is these two sites. So the first one is called Free Global Classified Ads, and you can post free ads for products like mine, free classified ads for business opportunities and more. So you just go here and you click publish your ad for free. Right there, you would just post your ad. Same exact process as before, okay? So they might offer different things to sell you or whatever, but literally it's the same exact stuff that you saw before. Everything is the same, okay? So go through there, publish your ad. And the next site is the best site. And this is the site that I recommend you do. If you made it this far, you are an action taker. And the best site is Craigslist, okay? Craigslist is the biggest site. It's the best site. And you can create postings for free. You just go in here, create a posting. Now, I believe they do require you to verify your phone number or something like that. But the reason this is good is because this is the site with the most amount of traffic, okay? This site has so much traffic, you can make a lot of money posting on Craigslist. So I recommend you post in big cities, in Western countries where people have money. So that's all there is to it, people. Copy and paste ads and make $500 a day, free worldwide, any age. Get started right now. If you're an action taker, type in the comments, action taker. If you want to see more videos like this, I go over new ways you can make money online, work for yourself, drop out of college, quit your job every single day. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Money Club and join my inner circle of people, or my club of money getters. And again, as always, take control of your life. Stop letting social media, stop letting the fake news media, stop letting all of these apps and notifications and bells and icons and whatever using you. Because the tech companies are using you, but you can use them. You can use social media. You can use advertising. You can use the internet to make money for yourself. So make a commitment, take action, and let's get started.